You've bleached that black mold in your bathroom corner 3 times this year, and it's already crawling back through the same grout line. That's not because the mold is winning, it's because bleach only kills mold spores sitting on the surface, while its roots stay embedded in porous material underneath, completely untouched. There are 4 ways to remove it at the root instead of just bleaching the surface, and the cheapest one is a $3 mineral you've probably got in your laundry room right now. The oldest use of this same mineral for preservation dates back to ancient Egypt. Stay to the end, because I'm walking through exactly why bleach keeps failing you. Bleach and mold spray manufacturers profit from a repeat purchase cycle. A surface treatment that visibly whitens mold but leaves root structures intact guarantees regrowth within 4 to 8 weeks. And that guaranteed return is exactly what keeps a $1 billion mold removal product industry stocked on shelves. Borax has been documented as an antifungal treatment since Egyptians used it for embalming and preservation as early as 1500 BC. Fix number 1. Borax paste. $3 for a full box treating your entire home. Mix 1 cup borax with enough water to form a thick paste, apply directly to the moldy surface with a scrub brush. Borax raises the pH environment past what mold fungi can survive in, disrupting cell structure at the root, rather than just bleaching pigment on the surface. Let it sit 10 minutes, scrub, and don't rinse it fully off. A thin residual layer keeps inhibiting regrowth for weeks afterward. Fix number 2. Undiluted white vinegar. $3 a gallon, sprayed directly with no water added. Acetic acid at full strength penetrates porous surfaces like grout and drywall roughly 3 times deeper than diluted bleach solutions, according to material penetration testing referenced in EPA mold remediation guidance. Spray it on, leave it for a full hour, then scrub and wipe dry. Skip the rinse here too, as the acidic residue continues working against spores for days. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: using bleach on porous surfaces like drywall or grout. Bleach's chlorine molecules are too large to penetrate those materials, so it whitens the visible surface while root hyphae underneath stay completely alive and start regrowing within a month. Fix number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. $2 for a 3% bottle from any pharmacy. Spray directly onto mold, let it foam and sit for 10 minutes. That foaming reaction is the peroxide breaking down cell walls on contact. This method works especially well on lighter surfaces like tile and countertops, where bleach discoloration is a concern, since peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen with 0 staining risk. Fix number 4. Tea tree oil, roughly $8 for a bottle that lasts months at these dilution rates. Mix 1 teaspoon tea tree oil with 1 cup water in a spray bottle. A study published in the Journal of Applied Microbiology found tea tree oil's terpene compounds inhibited fungal growth even at concentrations under 1%. Spray and leave without rinsing. This is your best option for areas with ongoing humidity, since the residual oil keeps inhibiting spores between cleanings. None of these methods fix mold rooted in structural material like insulation or subfloor. That requires removal and replacement, not surface treatment. If mold covers more than roughly 10 square feet, EPA guidance recommends professional remediation rather than any DIY approach, including this one. $16 total for every method combined, versus $500 to $6,000 for professional mold remediation on a job this size. If this finally explains why your bleach keeps failing, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me where mold keeps showing up in your place, and which method you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.